Alright guys, so today vamos a hacer un cheesecake. Well, you're gonna need Philadelphia cheese, the basics, right? Lechera, lemon, and then you're gonna need the cheesecake cookie platter. First step es poner la grenetina en la leche.
Sí, unos 20 minutos, segundos en el micro.
Throw in el queso Philadelphia, le estamos poniendo la lechera.
Limones a tu gusto. Si
Okay.
quieres medio limón o quieres un limón todo entero,
Okay.
pero es amarillo.
Dang, right? And you're gonna throw in la grenetina with the milk on the Philadelphia and the condensed milk. So el cheesecake no es precisamente limón, right?
No, pues es que lleva limón porque tú sabes que los cheesecakes son agridulces.
Ajá.
Ajá. Lo que ustedes gusten arriba
A su
para
gusto,
que lo
pues.
decoren a su gusto,
Ajá.
como ustedes.
Pero si le pones fresas, ¿qué? Son $20 más, ¿no?
Son-
Alright guys, we'll be back. Ooh, that's a big slice. The final result, well there it is.
What's up guys, today we're going to make some jiggly Japanese cheesecake. Start by separating the egg yolks from the egg whites, pop, pop, pop. Now we're going to mix the butter with the sugar until it's creamy, add some cream cheese, and gradually add the egg yolks. Add some milk, then keep mixing. Now add some flour and cornstarch, mix again. Then we're going to move on to the egg whites. Beat it until you get sieve peaks, gradually adding some sugar to it. And voila! Now we're going to mix the two mixtures together gently using a spatula. Then we're going to grease the pan and then line it with some baking paper. Pour the batter into the pan, drop it slightly to burst any air bubbles, prepare a water bath, and then move it to the oven. Now we're going to bake it, and voila! You've got your jiggly Japanese cheesecake.
Let's make my favorite type of cheesecake, a burnt Basque cheesecake. The ingredients are in my comments and the full recipe is on my Instagram. You want to start by smearing some butter on the inside of a 7-inch springform cake mold. Then just press in a large piece of parchment paper. In a large mixing bowl, you want to cream together your cream cheese and sugar until it's smooth, and then mix in your eggs one at a time. Once it's all fully incorporated, you can add in your double cream, vanilla, and salt. Mix on low speed until it's thoroughly mixed through. Lastly, you want to sift in your all-purpose flour and mix it together until it's just combined. You should notice that your batter is not too runny, but it is still pretty liquid, so you don't want to be making whipped cream. Then just pour this into your cake mold and use your spatula to flatten the top out and give it a good tap to make sure that it sinks into all the crevices. Bake this at 200 degrees Celsius for an hour. When it comes out of the oven, it'll still be a little jiggly, so you want to let it cool completely before you cut through.